Hello students, this is Professor S.V. Arlikar from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, working as Assistant Professor in Physics. Today we are going to discuss what is phenomenon of double refraction. Students, let us refer to the title double refraction. The title suggests that it is refraction of light occurring twice, which is in two directions. Usually, it is observed that if this is the transparent material on which beam of light is incident at an angle of incidence I, then it is refracted through angle R, obeying mu is equal to sin I upon sin R. So this is single refraction occurring. But in the universe, there exist some materials which have tendency of refracting the incident beam of light into two directions, and therefore the double refraction can be represented as, if this is the slab cut from doubly refracting crystal and on which the beam of light is incident at an angle of incidence I, then there is one beam which is refracted through angle R, and at the same time it is observed that the second beam is also there in the material which is refracted through some other angle, say R dash. So this is nothing but splitting of incident beam of light into two directions at the crystal surface is known as double refraction, and crystals are called as doubly refracting crystals. Such material is called as optically anisotropic material. Why it is anisotropic? Because there are two beams of light that are formed which are propagating through the crystal, out of which one beam is obeying the laws of refraction, because for this beam mu equal to sin I upon sin R is obeyed, but the beam shown with green pen is not obeying the laws of refraction, for which mu equal to sin I upon sin R is violated, and that is the reason why the material is called as optically anisotropic material. And this splitting or propagation of the beam of light into two directions at the crystal surface, when beam of light is incident on it, is called as phenomenon of double refraction. There exist many materials which have the property of refracting the incident beam of light into two directions. For example, calcite, urzite, siderite, dolomite, cords and ice. All these are examples of doubly refracting material. So the observation can be done of the doubly refracting material like this. If there is some printed matter on which the doubly refracting crystal is placed, then the two images of the letters falling below this slab will be observed. Furthermore, if you will rotate the slab, one image will be stationary, which is because of the beam obeying the laws of refraction, and other rotates about the stationary image, which is because of the extraordinary beam of light. This is how you will be able to know, you can understand about the phenomenon of double refraction. I hope the idea and concept is clear to you. Thank you, students.